This is Get Up Again, your soundtrack for getting back up.
Get up, get up, get up again. Get up again.
Sometimes it's not the victories that shape greatness, it's the heartbreaks. This reflection explores two lives marked by sorrow and rejection, but also by resilience that moved the world. Sometimes grief shapes greatness. From the alleys of Paris to the world stage, Edith Piaf turned pain into poetry.
Edith Piaf, from France. She was broken by grief, lifted by song. Edith was born in Paris in 1915. Piaf was abandoned by her mother and raised in poverty by her grandmother in a brothel. She sang on the streets to survive and lost her only child to meningitis at age 2. Despite these tragedies, her haunting voice and emotional depth captivated audiences. She became one of France's most beloved singers, known for songs like La Vie en Rose and Non, je ne regrette rien. Before triumph, many face rejection. Churchill was sidelined, then summoned to lead. Winston Churchill, a prime minister from the United Kingdom, he was cast aside and then called to lead when everything was at stake. Before becoming one of Britain's most iconic prime ministers, Churchill's political career was riddled with setbacks. He was blamed for the disastrous Gallipoli campaign in World War I and spent years in political exile during the 1930s, a period he called his wilderness years. His views were often unpopular, and he was seen out of touch. But when World War II broke out, his warnings about Nazi Germany proved prescient, and he was called upon to lead. His speeches and resolve helped rally a nation through its darkest hours.
Piaf lost everything and still sang for the world. Churchill was written off and then carried a nation. If you're feeling unseen or underestimated, their stories remind us. Your comeback may be closer than it feels.